Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 50 for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations here on YouTube. I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. And then also guys, check out the hashtag as well. Lots and lots of people creating altered playing cards and flashcards and such. So lots and lots of inspiration. Okay, so we are in the season of Christmas, and I created like a collage. This paper I've had for eons, and it's a I think this is like a ornament that's like a snow globe, and there's a Christmas tree, and here's another ornament here, and there was another ornament up here, and then this is just scraps of paper that I layered, and then also this music note as well. And then I used my sanding block and I just scuffed up the edges because I've seen Tony at Crafty by Tony or Crafty with Tony. She does that, and she uses like one of these, and she has like a sanding grit, and she sands her paper, and I love that look. So I was like, well, I don't have that tool that she has, but I certainly have these blocks from the Dollar Tree, and I used it on the edges, as you can see, and then I inked it up with some vintage photo. And then I used this punch that I bought at, I think this is Paper Studio. See, there's no name. I think it's a Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. And I punched it out with some paper. From my last video, I did the artisan journal, and this is the color block paper that is, all the glitter comes off, but I'm like, oh well, whatever, I want to use it up. So I love how the paper, well, I don't know if you can see, well, there you go, you can see some of the paper that sparkles, and then I added some rhinestones or flat back rhinestones to the snowflake, and I just love how that looks. Very festive for this time of year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.